Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how you can update your graphics card driver on Windows PC. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is right click on your Windows key that you can see right here. Simply just right click on your mouse like this, and in here you can see the option of device manager. You can simply click on it. And in here now double click on the display adapter option that you can see right here. And in here you can see this is your graphic card. All you have to do is right click on your mouse like this, and then you can see the option of update driver. You can simply just click on it and now click on search automatically for drivers. Here you can see the best drivers for your device are already installed option is given because my driver is already updated. If your driver is not up to date, you will be able to see some sort of waiting process, and all you have to do is wait for like 5 to 6 minutes, and then your driver will be updated. And like this, you can update your graphic card driver on Windows PC. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.